So when selecting your power for your camper van, you're choosing a different specification of this, which is our eDub drive unit. Now, this is something that's made exclusively for us here at eDub, and it's something that we've been building and trialing and testing for many, many years to make sure that it gives our classic camper vans the absolute best in electric power. So you've got 4 different options of power, and those range in the top speed and the brake horsepower, and those are configured within this kind of unit here in front of you. Now, what makes this so brilliant is that we've been able to find a motor that is just big enough to fit underneath the vehicle in kind of that direction. So if I'm at the back of the vehicle and there's the front, this is the direction that it's going in. And that means that this is just about wide enough to fit inside the suspension system. That means that it clears up the space where I'm standing for a battery box to go. Now, any previous drive units that we've used, anything bigger than this, the motor would have to sit in front of the gearbox and then you wouldn't have space for your batteries. That causes all sorts of domino problems. eDub drive unit is brilliant at being able to get into the space that needs to go and sit where it needs to be and allow the power to get to the wheels really accurately. Top power is 120 brake horsepower, so it's a 90 kilowatt unit. Camper vans came out the factory with, on paper, 45 brake horsepower. You never actually got that, of course. And of course, that brake horsepower was only available at certain RPMs, which is no longer the case. So you've got all of that power straight from the beginning, about 3 times, at least 3 times the power across the board of all RPM ranges, which is really super cool. The eDub drive unit has also got a ton of safety features built into it, so it itself is listening to the battery management system inside these boxes, and that's really crucial. There are lots of other options on the market where these two systems operate completely independently. What that means is that if the battery system has got certain tolerances of, let's say, voltage, for example, so as the battery gets to a high voltage or a low voltage when it's fully charged or fully discharged, then the drive unit needs to know that ideally so that it's not putting too much regen at the top of the pack and putting energy back into the pack when it's already full. That will damage your batteries. Likewise, it's not draining your batteries too far and damaging your batteries. So there are some drive units out there where that communication isn't available. And so instead of giving you the full range that you're allowed to get, they basically trim off the edges to make it safe. And then your drive unit is just running roughly 80% of what the battery is capable of running. So it will stop at 90% and stop at 10%. Doesn't give you exactly what you're looking for. And there's no safety protocols built in. So if something went wrong with the battery pack or if something wasn't working properly, other drive units don't care. This does. The eDub drive unit has been really built, slightly bulletproof, to make sure that it can fail safely and respect what the battery management system is telling it to perform out of the battery box. That's working over a CAN bus system that we've developed behind the scenes. That's meaning that the eDub drive unit is constantly listening to what the battery management system is telling it that it can and cannot charge and discharge. And that's millisecond precision. So you'll feel that when you're driving it, is that when you're fully charged, your regen will be turned down so that you're not putting too much power back into the battery pack. And you can run it right the way down to 0%, and it will slowly derate in power. You get the kind of turtle mode right at the bottom, which means you can safely get to somewhere where you can charge or get your vehicle safe right at the bottom of the pack, instead of other systems that are on the market that will just stop. They'll just stop you running at that state. The eDub drive unit is also liquid cooled. That makes it a ton more efficient. We have a fuel gauge on our dashboard, an additional gauge next to that shows you what your motor temperature is, a bit like an engine temperature warning. We've never managed to get it up to a high level to turn the lights on, but it's there as a safety protocol just in case the cooling system fails, as this is quite a precious part of your drive system. You wouldn't want to buy your eDub conversion, run it for several thousand miles, there become a problem with the cooling system. Let's say you go to a campsite, you go over some rough ground and something under the vehicle, you drive over a bush, something damages a coolant pipe. You don't want then the drive unit to not have any cooling and for it just to cook itself. You want that to be a warning system that shuts down the system and means that you can get the cooling system replaced, which is a ton cheaper than replacing the drive unit if that cooling system gets damaged. It's got a single speed reduction gearbox on the side here. Now what that means is effectively it's automatic driving. It's not automatic because it's not automatically changing gears. It's a single speed. So you've got 3 locked gears inside this here that is taking the RPM of the motor through a reducer and then out into the differential to the wheels. That just means driving is super simple. It's all going through one set of gears, no moving parts, technically no oil changes because you've got no gears switching and causing any problems in there. We've also programmed some really fun systems into this drive unit, things like an exclusive hold mode. So what that means is that if you are on an incline, say you've come up to a junction but you're on a slope and you've got your foot on the brake to hold yourself while you're looking either direction on the junction, we've built in a hold mode so that you can quickly come off the brake and onto the throttle and you're not going to roll backwards. It'll hold you in that location. In fact, once you're aware of it, you can kind of use it instead of your brake. So you can come up to the junction, you can just take your foot off the throttle and it will just hover itself there, which is really smart. Works just like, all these things are making it look like a proper OEM car, but it's coming from eDub HQ in North Yorkshire instead. So all of these features are available with the eDub drive unit. So your choices is simply how fast you want to go with it. So you've got some of the lower choices that make the vehicle feel really like a camper van. So you can have it running at the kind of 59 brake horsepower, a little bit lower. It still feels like an old camper. Or you can go right the way up to the 120 brake horsepower and just have a load of fun. All of those options also, we have the ability to have an eco mode built in. So you can, for example, have the 120 brake horsepower option of the eDub drive unit. But you can have it configured with an eco mode that drives more like a camper van. And then all you need to do is, if you ever need that more power, you just hit the button on your dashboard and suddenly you've got that power, little turbo boost mode on that dash. All the subframe system surrounding it has been designed and tested by eDub here in-house as well. This is holding it into the vehicle in the best accurate way that it can be done. And that's slightly different depending on whether it's a bay window camper van or if it's a split screen camper van or even something like a Porsche 911, because the mounting holes are in slightly different places. But it means that the drive unit can be fully interchangeable and we can change just some of the brackets to hold it in. Really strong polybush bushes around the side there, again, holding it super tight. And we have custom output shafts to take the custom drive units out to the wheels again. So all of that is brand new. You're getting brand new tech from all the running gear out to the wheels to make sure that it runs super accurately for you for as long as possible. So hopefully that's answered any of your questions about the eDub drive unit. It's an exclusive part of our electric conversions. It's compatible with our campers, but also some of our other electric conversion models as well. Like I said, it's something we've developed in-house, so we much rather use this system in all sorts of electric conversions than we would other models that we don't quite have the much familiarity with. It's also available as a trade option as well. So if you're a shop out there looking to do a range of electric conversions with a vehicle that we don't specialize in, then get in touch because we can supply these models to you directly. They're manufactured here in the UK too. So get in touch and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. You can go to edubconversions.co.uk, head to our contact page and just drop us a quick email.